Sup. How's it going, guys? Let me see if I can fix something really quick. The human is back. Do I look different? Okay, that's fine.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hey, how's it going? Bring both of the angles back. I think we're good. Guys, you know, our starting soon screen is kind of boring. Maybe we could do something with shaders. Maybe we could just, you know, I wonder if you could export. I wish you could export a sprite as a GIF. Is that weird? What's up, Rekamaru and Kafit? Yarn. But yeah, there's two things I have on the agenda today. First things first, I would like to get the player going underwater better. We didn't get to really do it efficiently yesterday, and I think I was doing it poorly. Oh, excuse me. I tried to do it using custom tile data, and actually I don't think we should do it that way. So I'm gonna actually delete that custom data layer, and I'm gonna delete all of the water that we drew. I don't know if that's only the water that we drew. Libanthum. Lib and the man. What's up? Oh, Godot. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Thanks for that, Kathy. It's GIF exported with Godot. It is based on Godot GIF exporter. That's pretty cool. Only thing that partially alarms me is the lack of activity, but it could be because it's strong. Are there any issues? There's no open issues. Does this guy still program? Okay, looks pretty good. Yes, I met Gideon. Is he still around? Awesome, Tom Inc. Guten Tag. Wie geht es dir? I have my chocolate milk, which means I'm ready for the day. Alrighty, so let's erase these tiles. Let's do that. And by the way, guys, yesterday I saw that. I saw that he deleted all of them. Yesterday we worked on shaders. That's why I have this cool image here. You can go to my YouTube, and I made a YouTube short on it. It's like 52 seconds or so. So if you're interested in what we did yesterday, you can get caught up. 52 seconds. Hell yeah. I also posted, for the first time, I posted my short on Twitter. So we'll see. I haven't done them on TikTok TikTok kind of scares me for some reason. Does anybody here use TikTok and look at game development stuff? I don't know. I don't scroll on TikTok, and it's not because I think I'm above it. I just know that I would waste a lot of time if I did consume TikTok. I'm underrated. That's great. You do? Okay, that's interesting. We'll never download TikTok. Yeah, doesn't it like hack you? Like, wait, can't they like look at you? I don't know. Don't post on Instagram. Just because of that, Yarnk, I'm gonna do it today. But yeah, guys, I've been posting my shorts every day, and in a way, it's kind of tiring, but in a way, it's kind of cool. So you see, they're not doing the best. I mean, you know, of course, that's up to interpretation. But you know, I think sometimes with such new content, because I've never made shorts in my life, you just gotta keep doing it and get better. Same thing with YouTube videos. Look, I've made around 55 videos. If you go to my first devlog, I think it's shite. But you'll see how you progress and you get better at making videos. And I still think, you know, my videos are not the best, but that's the good part. You know, you don't have to make the best video. You just gotta make a better video than you made before, and that's it. It's Instagram reel comments are wild. Yeah, I mean, on Instagram, I feel like the app, you consume different content. So it's like on Instagram, I like looking at cooking stuff. On YouTube, I don't look at any cooking stuff. If I need a recipe, sometimes I might search it up on YouTube. But yeah, you have 5K followers on TikTok. Nice. Yo, Jackie, are you in Poland? I'm in a computer. Can't you see? Yes, I'm in Poland. Jackie makes me work on my day off. Good, good. You better. I'm gonna unmod you if you don't work. Instagram is dead. I don't agree. I just think that the apps are for different content, but you'd be surprised. I know people who are killing it, like 3D modelers on Instagram. Instagram is more like arty art, like, I don't know. And why did your Instagram get sorry, I choked. That was some chunky chocolate milk. I'm dying. God damn it, Lupo's assassinating me. Anthony? I don't know any Anthony's, I'm sorry. Damn. But the short's doing pretty... Look, the short is doing much better on Twitter than on YouTube. On YouTube, it has 76 views. And I posted it after on Twitter, and this has 513 views. So... Poland is a country, bro. You think she's going to know a single guy? I mean, I might. Dies on stream. I mean, that could get clipped if I died. What's up, Michael? You know your girl is hustling. Aren't you proud of me? All right. So, guys. We gotta hustle, guys. We gotta hustle. When the time feels right, sometimes you know it in the air. You go, the time is right. Let's hustle, okay? And then there's sometimes where it's like, okay, the time is right. Let's sleep. You know, I'm in a point in my life right now where I'm just like, I got so much energy inside of me. Was inspired by the shader stream yesterday. Sat up all night. LOL, did you know it's really easy to adapt the 2D shader to apply to 3D mesh? Ooh, I didn't, but it sounds good. Thanks, Michael. Guys, Michael's proud of me. I can die happy now. They said I broke some rules and then asked for my phone number, but I never submitted my phone. Yo, what's up, Milogima? How's it going, bro? It's the land of the pause. It's a land of pause? Of possibilities? Because of the popo? Why Poland called Poland? Poland is called Poland because of the Polanius obstruction of the Jananius. I'm full of shit. I have no idea. Does anybody know why Poland's called Poland? God damn it! Can I please make my game? You guys, chat is distracting me, guys. Shut up. Shut up. How come nobody has noticed that I'm using a freaking green screen? What the hell? This is not... I have a freaking green screen. I have another camera. I have a camera. I have you guys looking at me from all different angles. You're burning. Can someone please say good job? Okay. So, I generated this shit. What's up, Solo and Vincent? Okay. So this is the code where I'm generating stuff. Nice neck. Listen, are we gonna have to take it back to the 18th century where I'm gonna have to cover my neck from you? Well, it's just undefined. Feet cam. Listen, if you want a feet cam, I'm trying to think of the conditions for it. I'll keep thinking. The name is derived from the Polans, a West Slavic tribe who inhabited the Warta River basin of present-day Greater Poland region. I think Warta is a beer. Warta piwo. It's not. It's not, guys. It's something similar, but I don't remember. Okay. Did someone say feet cam? Yuki, can you please stop being creepy? Harnas people, cat cam. Oh, I do have a cat, but he's not in my office. Alrighty, guys, stop talking. Okay, this is the generation. So we're using this water noise, which comes from... Scenes, world... A personality cam, you get that every stream, dude. World, water noise, damn the water. Hands are just arm feet. I work only on Arduino Uno and I failed. Arduino Uno is really nice. Here, water noise. Okay, this is the noise that we're using to... I made it like with a color ramp so that you could see all that stuff. All that jazz. What's up, Pixel? I'm not gonna say your full name because it makes me feel weird. Okay, so we're taking that noise. Okay, we need to see when we're placing water. So if we're inside of the circle, because we generated our world inside of a circle. If we're inside the circle... Where are we setting water? This is the water? What the frick? Oh yeah, we're never setting water. That's right. Because it's all an illusion. So we just need to look at where we're not setting anything. So this is cycling through the width and the height. Then we're getting the noise. If it's inside of the circle. So else this is water. Why are we doing this twice? This is the same thing. No? If we're inside of the circle, L if we're inside of the circle? Doesn't make sense. Is it ever doing that? Okay, so if this noise value is greater than 0.02, if the noise value is greater than this, so if the noise value alrighty, see ya, Justin. She's cooking for real, for real. Oh, hey, Sorota. Nice to see you on the other side. I am playing The Witness right now and I'm getting desperate. I need to try out that game. That's Beaver Logic. When I was 6, I had a weird vision that arms and legs could be switched like they're RPG slots. Can we make a game? I'm gonna make a 3D game now where you have legs as arms and arms as legs. It's gonna be my game. I'm gonna copyright it right now. This is Elif. The rest is water. So basically, we need to get the position and put it in this water noise. Okay, let's go to our player. Okay, first let's get our water noise in our player. We're gonna do it very slowly, guys. On line 61. No, it shouldn't be Elif because the grass is on top of the sand. Because if you dig the grass, there'll be sand under it. Why stop with arms and legs? Make it so your head can be a leg. Oh my god, remember that, what was that? Spy Kids? Thumb guy. Like this thumb guy. Do you guys remember these thumb people from Spy Kids? What's up, Knut? Aim Night? Thank you for the follow. Yep, I bet it was. Just imagine running with your arms and being able to handle everything. It would be awesome, okay? I don't really like ultra wide monitors. I like having separate ones, you know. What's the hardest programming language? Probably C. Okay, so Trang, thanks so much for the follow. Okay, we're gonna do that. We'll do it in the ready. And we'll do var water noise. Yaguchi? Yaguchi? Water texture is not declared. What? What? Okay. Bro, okay, so many steps. I feel attacked right now. Mir geht es gut in bei dir? Alles fit? Ja, alles gut. Ich bin ein Mädchen for your information, bish. How many Germans are in here? How many Germans are in here? 1 second. I need a Oh my god, it's mostly Germans! Oh shit! Entschuldigen, ich bin ein good Frau. Oh my god, why is there more Germans coming here? Ah. I've always had a green screen. Oh shit, okay. Oh yeah, also the Austrians. We can't forget the Austrians. Guys, please don't write German in the chat. It'll take me 10 years to read. Okay, God damn it, Lupo. You started all of this. Let's do this. Next person to speak German gets banned. Okay. It's a joke, Marvin. The one Swiss guy. Yeah, but in Switzerland, they speak like German and all different other types of languages. Don't they speak? Or it's probably mostly German though. Ban the German, sincerely, an Austrian. Well, it depends on what part of Switzerland you go to. Okay, guys, can you stop talking, please? Okay, I need another thing. I need this. So when we get the noise value. Oh, so the noise value. Okay, so we need to get it for the position. Okay, so it makes sense. Perfect. So we're calculating. We're not gonna need that anymore. Okay, so we're getting the position that we're on. And then let's print. So if noise value, we need to see the water values. So if it's greater than 0.02, so if it's less than this, we should be in water. Print, we're in water, else we're in land. All right, let's see. ¿Qué pasó? This water noise is null. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Hi. Yeah. Did the same thing. Some real shit, why joke? Oh my god. Bye! We speak German, French, Italian, and Romansh in Switzerland. Well, their national language, but sir, Croatian. What's the most common language, though? Oh, Swiss. No, I'm from Switzerland, and you learn there also German in the school? Cool. What do you like about the Godot engine? Have you worked in Unreal at all? I'm considering switching from Game Maker Studio 2, but having trouble convincing myself to Godot. You should definitely try it out. I would suggest just doing a game jam in Godot. I just love the ease of it. Okay. You're not from the EU? That's okay. Okay, is it gonna... Okay, let's see. Okay, we're in land, and then, let's see. It still says we're in land. Okay, it's faulty. So if the noise value is greater than this, and if it's greater than 0.0... Maybe because we converted it. I think I know why. I think because we converted it to the tile map, and I think we don't need to do that. I think we might be able to get away with that. Let's check it out. Let's use global coordinates instead of the tile. Just a normal Godot programming day. I'm trying to get... You know, the effect that you're going inside of the water. Oh, it says we're in water. And we're in land. And it's working splendidly. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's just make sure it keeps doing it. Perfect. And we got it. No, now it's saying we're in land. God damn it! Oh. I know why. I know why it's saying we're in land. We also need to check if we're inside of the damn circle. I know why it's happening though. Okay, we need to have this. We need these to be in like a helper script. Hola, hola, Holmes. ¿Cómo estás? Speaking of difficult things, dual monitor setups are a pain in the ass. Why are they pain? Wouldn't it make sense to load the water logic into a separate data structure instead of accessing the noise map repeatedly? Noise map seems too low level for a player, and you don't need to duplicate it. I think I already have it saved. I think I already have. I don't know if I've updated it actually. Ah, Malaka. I agree. I forgot about this. I did swear, yeah. I swear it in Greek. This camera is like tripping me out. I don't. It's seeing myself in different. It's weird. Okay. Anyways, thank you, Bonesy. I can have fun now because Bonesy told me to have fun. Okay. Retrieve. Get biome at position. I should be able to do this. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, the way our game scene tree is set up is we are actually putting our story world in here. So basically, in our story world, we have access, I think in the root node over here. Does Casper key will keep me safe or not? Do Casper key, was Casper Sky, what is that? So here in the world, oh, whoa. Prolixy, thank you for the follow, wait. Initialize layer data, what? Okay, so, what? Okay, we have this save state sync. And if we look at the save state sync, we have many nice functions. So we could, for instance, get biome at position. Perfect. And here on the player, we have access to thank you for that suggestion. You reminded me, Vimes, of my freaking code. I did this in like July or August. That's why I don't remember. Got no mic neither since it was integrated. Oh, sorry to hear that, Roger. How was I accessing that node though? I think I was just getting parent, but I moved the position. We have tile map, tile selector node. I guess we could put this world node in the character. Okay, now we need to put that in. How many lines of code you write in a day? I have no idea. Does GitHub? I have GitHub. Maybe it tells me. I don't know. Don't pay attention. I don't pay attention to such trivial. Where is there why isn't it showing me? Why is it not showing me? Oh yeah. Oh, we do have it. Oh, okay. Okay, are we... See, we're doing get parent. Okay, I would not want to do that actually. It's not a safe way of doing it. Gotta get those locks up. Okay, so now we can do world.savestate_stink. We're gonna print from this get biome at position, and let's see what it gives us. Is that position... I'm assuming it's a tile position. Jackie, what do you edit your devlogs with? I'm trying to keep it FOSS with Caden Live. Unfortunately, I use Adobe Premiere. But, you know, sometimes I use DaVinci. That's a good one that people like using. But I just really like Premiere. Yeah, I write 12 lines of code a day. DaVinci Resolve, yeah. Alrighty, let's see if this works. It'll be biome. Let's see if my old function works. Unfortunately, I think I would still need to get the noise. But I'm not sure how much resources that would actually take up. That is definitely a function. Get biome at position. Oh, and base nil. Okay, it's saying that is null. Oh, I know why. Because I need to run the game like this. I was also like that, Bankei. You'll get it. I normally go live Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but I went live more. It's not working. Okay, so it is telling us when we're in the grass and the sand, but not when we're in the water. Because there is actually no water. Yes, we're using the green screen today, hell yeah. I'm gonna just continue doing it this way. And if there's a performance issue, I will save it differently. Okay, I need to find a way of getting the... No problem, Flex. I need to put some helper functions in here. Let's go to scripts. We have helper. We'll just... math calculations. Just math. It's actually singleton. Can I just name it math? Is that like a Godot thing? Nope. It's good. to go. I turned on notifications. When you live, I'll be here. Alrighty, see ya, M28. From an angle, you do look like Thor, but with long hair. I'll take that as a compliment. How is the window that small? Do you remember the Harry Potter clip? Yes, I do. The clips of Twitch are ass to search. I've been going through them, seeing which ones I could put. I could use as shorts. But yeah. Helper, singletons, math, add. Let's get rid of that. Let's go back to generate. Whatever, I won't delete them from there. Go between. So we need to also check if it's outside of the circle or, and then that should be good. It's not gonna fully be good because it's semi-procedurally generated, but it'll work for now. It will frickin' work for now. There's so many variables, so many variables. Should I just... I've always had a green screen, I just didn't use it. Scandinavia. Just do what Todd Howard does, and if there's a performance issue, tell people to stop being poor. Alright. Okay, let's just stay confined to here. I'm not gonna do that for now. Okay, so we're in the water here. So now, so if it's less than... So this is all water. If it's... Oh, if noise value is greater than negative 0. So we need something that's less than this, but a little bit. So maybe 0.05. We're in shallow water. Noise value is greater than negative 0.07. We're in less shallow water. If I know I spelled it wrong. .9. We're in deeper water. Okay, let's see if that works. It's a violet. Let's go on this side. Okay, so it says we're on land. And it's saying we're in land? Oh, it stopped printing. What the frick is happening? It sometimes freezes. Why is it freezing sometimes? I just don't know why it's freezing. Something's taking up the thread. That is really weird why it stops printing. This is a physics process. So maybe we should use process. Let's see if this is better. Wait. No, it's just glitching out. Okay, let's see. What's up, soon down? No problem. Which game were you making? I remember games better than names. Okay, it says we're in land. Oh yeah, your game looks so awesome, guys. If you want to check out, that was the roguelike game, right? We're in deeper water. Okay, but it... Yeah. Yeah, your game looked amazing. I need to think of another method of getting this. Game looking amazing. Feather snake. I mean, almost, Roger. Almost. Yeah, I'm making a survival, story-driven action type game. Such type. Yeah, we're working on effects getting in the water. And there should be. Okay, cool. Cool. Where did the spiders go? I guess they take a while to get over. Okay, so we can't really use the noise. You found it, Lupo. You found it. Noise is not the best way of doing it. Let's see what's... I think we need to use like a profiler. Let's see what's happening. What's up, Simonato? Rosenex. Sure, you can share a video of your game. What's up, bye? It's going fairly good. Okay, let's look at the... No, actually, let's look at visual profiler. That's a good idea. You good? Alright, now we should only be printing when we switch tiles. Oh yeah, we're never declaring. I guess we don't need to do this. What's up, Andros? How's it going? Okay. Thank you, Soon Down, for the follow. I appreciate that. It's still not printing all the time. I wish I could see. What? How did this? Okay. I could. Sometimes the game lags more when you're using the profiler. canvas. Yeah, I really wonder. Really wonder what's clogging it up. Alrighty, Roger, this is for you. Print. Noise value. I'll try to remove that. Okay, so when we're on land, it's like negative 1.2. Oh, I know why I wasn't printing sometimes. I think. No, it should always do this for else. But look, sometimes it's just printing the noise value and it's not printing anything else. That's strange. If it's an if or an else, it should always print one or the other, but that is so weird. Should we update to 4.2.1? Sometimes that solves some weird issues. That shouldn't. That shouldn't. But who knows? Yeah, I'm still using 4.2. Don't tell my mom. Release candidate 1. That is so weird. I know my mom is watching. Mom, are you watching? Guys, yesterday I lost my phone and my mom called. She was like, I was watching your stream and I saw that you lost your phone. That was really nice. I thought this was gonna be so simple, and it turned out to be many different things that came out. I've always wanted to learn Godot. Awesome. Okay. Program files. Godot versions. I figured it was a problem with the physics engine. Physics process function synchronize the fixed frame I started using for which is called every frame and not tied to the physics engine. This is strange of the program handling. I was originally using a physics process and then I changed the process. Oh, 1 second. Godot 4.2. Oh, I could just put 4.2 release candidate 1. Cool. Downloads, extract. Sorry guys, I'm updating Godot. Whenever I have a weird bug, it's always best to update. Okay. Alrighty, let's go to 4.2.1. Let's see if all of our problems are solved. Howdy from Texas. Just happened to notice you were live. Sorry, I went to Texas once. That's why I gig 'em. I was in College Station. I butchered your accent. My bad. What part of Texas? And thanks for coming. Alrighty, the 4.2 release candidate 1 solve the problem. Nope. I am from Miami. Okay, let's try again in the physics process. Because this is all the bug fixes from the first one that they got from release from 4.2. I'm actually from a beach town in Florida though, so no accent. I'm also from Florida, so I feel your pain. Don't know if I'm gonna really play GTA 6 because aren't they not releasing it for PC? I also have like an old Xbox One, that's it. So I'm not really... I like playing old games on the console. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be in the next GTA actually. They asked me if they could use me. And I was like, go for it. Everybody in my life has used me. I'm gonna have to think of something else. I am secretly the Lucia girl. Lucia? Is that her name? Okay, let's look at the tile map. Let's look at the docks. Get cell atlas coords. We could do this. We can get the cell atlas coordinates. Is this expensive? We can get the source ID. And then if it's within the source ID. Well, soon down, if it makes you feel better, this is the second time I tried making this game. I kind of learned some things from the first time. Okay. So far, the short is doing much better on Twitter than on YouTube. Snow Titans. Look, 1,001. I posted it roughly 1.5 hours ago. It has that many views. And on YouTube, the short has 151 views. Simulacra, I'm learning shorts. I've only made like 3 or 4. I don't know. But from my understanding, you need to keep at it every single day. Crash, thank you so much for the follow. Sorry, I don't know what you're working on at the moment. Yeah, so I'm working on a way that when you go in the water, your character goes Look. You see? Did that answer your question? I'm scared that's what's going to happen to me. LOL. I'm gonna have to try making it again. That's not gonna happen. Do it! Yeah, I would redo my core mechanics in a heartbeat, but I mean, yours, it's looking good. That's all that matters. Hopefully the PC version will come out in 2026. I don't know why aren't they making it for PC? Well, no one will watch your YouTube short if they've seen it on Twitter. I mean, whenever I post a video, it tells me how many people came from Twitter. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's look at my last video. Audience, I think. Reach, maybe it's in reach. Okay, Twitter, proportion of your traffic. Look, it says external sites were 2.3% of my external traffic, and Twitter accounted for 20% of that. So 2.3%. So nah. TikTok is the way to go. I mean, if I'm making shorts, might as well post them on TikTok too. The inner if conditions are wrong. Why are they wrong? If it's less than this, and then if it's greater than that. If it's already less than this. But it's still, it shouldn't matter. Because if it's not, oh, I mean, actually, yeah. There's a way that it cannot do anything. True, true. Because then we would need a less, an else here. Yeah, true. Yeah. Blub, 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 blub. You're right, yeah. Because there could be some greater. Yeah. You could assign an underwater bowl to the water tiles and check for the custom. Yeah, it's really deep water. Underwater bowl and the water tiles and check for. I was doing that, but that's what I was originally doing. But it's so annoying to check for custom data. I feel like it would be better if I just check for... I think I know what I'm gonna do. What's up, Templish? Everybody's asking what I'm doing at the same time. This is what I'm doing. Because it's Rockstar. So first they will prioritize GTA 6 for console. Take this a long time. Ugh, sounds boring. Why not put a water trigger on your data tile except for the water trigger? It is an animal. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do, guys. All right. Okay. This is what we're gonna do, guys. This is what we're gonna do. 50 Shades of Water. People go onto my computer. What is she looking at? 50 Shades of Water? What? Is this what she's doing? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. What? Wait. Oh, it's this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do it. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. Okay. So look, we're gonna get this watercolor. By the way, guys, my game is a lie. You might think, oh, look, these are water tiles. It's not water tiles. I went over this yesterday. Can you just not see? Yeah. So it's not, I don't have any water tiles, guys. It's a lie. I have rave tiles. We're in a rave. So yeah, it's not. It's not what you think. Okay. So now that we've established that everything you thought was a lie. Okay, actually, let's get the real color. Just gonna boop. Great. That's what I wanted. Let's get the hex color. Great. Okay, guys, when it's more shallow, it is lighter. So this is gonna be the BG. The background. Ah, okay, wait. We have that hex. It's right here. Cool. 50 Shades of Water is going on top. Great. This is the background. This is the shades. Okay, you see where I'm going with that? What's up, Cattle Pixel? Yo, what up, Cody? So when will you go to the next rave? Could you have 2 or 3 water tiles with the same steps? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's look at the grid. Show the grid. Okay, the shades need to change a little. Okay, the first shade. So this should be darker. Is it darker? It's hard to tell. Okay, yeah, that's definitely darker. Yeah, cool. Get that color darker. Ah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now save as 50 Shades of Water. Chest, Shema. Oh, by the way, yeah, thank you for the advice, Cody, on the combat stuff. It was very nice advice. Oh man, I thought you were a screen on top of each other type of girl. What? What? Yeah, they did add dark mode, but I'm using like a theme. Okay, cool. So now this should be the normal. But I actually want to put it on the sand layer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna actually put this to some very, there we go. Now I can work with that. Sorry for your eyeballs. This is gonna be shallow. Excuse me. Whoops. Oh my god. Whoops. No, 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 no. I need to close it. Great. I didn't really accidentally click it. I just forgot what I was doing. Okay, cool. Now let's do the next layer. Cool, and now let's do the last. What? Okay. Okay. And now let's come back here, project settings. There we go. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, cool. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Váyate de aquí, yo no quiero te. Woo! Okay. Oh wait, we didn't get it all. We left some. Okay. Okay. Oh, well actually we could still retain that logic about past tile, etc, etc. Comete, thanks so much for the follow. Okay. var source ID. What the frick am I doing? Okay, if okay, let's get the source ID. It's an int. Tile map. Get cell source ID. Layer. This is the sand layer. So layer. Layer. Sand. Coordinates. We already have the tile position. And that's it. If source ID equals, and we need the 50 shades of water now. I still use Godot 3.5. Yeah, the HTML, they definitely need a fix. So this source ID, we need to go to the tile set. The source ID for the 50 shades of water is 13. So if source ID equals 13, then that means we're no longer on the sand. We're on the water, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now we need to check which is which. So now we need to get the atlas coordinates. So var atlas coords, which returns a vector 2i. This is an integer vector. And get cell atlas coordinates layer sand, and the coordinates is the tile position. So if we come back here, if we're on this one, we're in the most shallow, so that's 0 0. 1 0 is the second shallow, and 2 0 is the third shallow. So if atlas chords equals vector 2 0 0 pass elif so this is 1 2. I keep reading that making big projects in GD scripts is kind of jank. Is that true? Because you seem to be... that is not true. You could play the game Dome Keeper. And yeah, it's a very successful, very nice game. And it was made... It was made in Godot, but I'm actually... Was it made in GD script? Was Dome Keeper made in GD script? I think it was made in GD script. I think it was because one of the peeps who worked on it, he gave a talk at GodotCon, and it was, he used GD script. Okay. So... I need to look at this. Because I overwrote something that I think I need. Here. Two zero. That is normal. So 1. So we'll put 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get a first try. I don't think we will, but let's see. No. Not at all. Alright, let's check out. Let's see, what's the sprite 2D? Oh, wait. Sprite 2D. Oh, I never put it in. Equals position. Okay, now this counts as first try. This I never put the position. I never put the first try. The first try. Come on, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'm not sure. Oh, I think it is working. Yeah, it's basically working. Oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Let's just have it a little more drastic. Okay, let's make it more drastic. So this one will be 7. This one will be 12. And this one will be 16. Okay, we need it to be drastic. We're very, you know, intense people. Wait, am I? Okay, yeah, I need to also put it back. Okay. We need to put it back to normal. All right. And we need to interpolate so it's not like book, book. I've been like, I used to do web development before I did game development. I don't know, like, uh 4 years? Not really sure. I should really mess with the offset only. And it is actually not a vector 2i. It is just a darn. It's just a vector 2. Doesn't work? Nice. I'm acquainted with Tom Blake, creator of Spindle. I'm pretty sure he's convinced making big projects with Godot is just fine. Programmed in C++ additionally. Carpet bagger? What? One title deep into transitioning or something. So the X actually shouldn't change. Quad McFurry, thank you for the follow. Now that my son works with the Fs. How old is your son, if I may ask? A nomadic people who have a knapsack made of carpet on a stick. Okay. This position. So if the towel position. Okay. Oh, that's awesome, Tom. Oh, I need to do the offset first of all. Yeah, the position good, so we need to do the offset. Yeah, this offset. Sprite offset. Good. Alright, let's try that. Eek. It's glitching. It's glitching out. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. We're making baby steps, guys. Is there something else editing it? I wonder. Second. I know you guys are watching me from behind. It's okay. Okay. Let me search to see if something else is editing that. Because if it's not, if the source ID is not 13, then that means... Oh, wait. Maybe it's the walking animation that could be messing it up. Oh, yes. Why are we editing the offset? Okay, that was the reason. And the region. What the heck is this region? Region rect. What? Region wrecked? What is that? Region? What? The heck? Oh, okay, yeah, I get that. I get that. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. But the offset, no. Doesn't make any sense. Okay, now let's try it. Something else is editing it. Thornity, what's up? Thank you for the raid. How's it going? Feel free to share what you've been working on. There is a delay. There's an annoying delay. I don't know why. Still has a key. And look, offset on idle 1, offset, 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 offset. Okay. Awesome, Thorny. That sounds good. Alrighty. Should be everything. Let's try it again. Oh, that's much better. It's still glitching, but it's much better. Oh, much better. But still, it's like, why is it saying that? Yeah, I don't like the lag. It's as if... we need to get Nuyon. Thank you for the follow. I know why. I know why it's glitching. It's because we're offsetting. We need to get the position of the... oh, shite. Okay, maybe we could do this. Maybe we could put a position node. It's because we're offsetting the player, so working with the sprite. It's not that, Cody. We're getting the... it's because we're offsetting it, so the position is changing. So since our player is lower where than the anchor point is, it's detecting it out of sync. What's up, Michael? Yeah, exactly. So what we can do... marker? Yeah, marker. The problem is if we move the offset, the marker doesn't move. But if we move the position, it moves. Yeah, you see? So we need to put a mark at the feet. And we need to, instead of moving the offset, we need to move the position. And then we need to check. We'll get that marker. And instead, when we're calculating this tile position, instead of getting the global position, we need to get the marker 2D global position. And let's see if that fixes it. Did we also change instead of offset? And it's not an area 2D that's detecting the position. It's just we're getting the tile based on the position. Okay. Navigation avoidance. Collision shapes. Should we be getting the local? No, we shouldn't be getting the local position. Well, what we could do also, we could add like a color rect on the marker. So that we could see if it's changing. Where did that go? Why is it that color? Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening to it. Something has to be messing with the position. Thanks, Vimes. Okay, let's print the source ID. Okay, so the source ID of the sand. One second, guys. Let's come back here. Let's go to tile set. This is animated water. The source ID is 8. Okay, so 8 is sand, 13 is water. See, 8, 13. Something is moving us up. Product. Something is moving us up. Let's see if there's something else. Or an offset? No. Wait, was that what was happening? Oh, it was. How could it be on both tiles? Yeah, it says 13, 8, 13, 8. Still 13. How is that still 13? It's like lagging. And now it's 13. It shouldn't be 13. Unless I painted it on another layer, which doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. what I could do, I know what I could do actually. We can get used tiles. Okay, okay. At start. Okay, we can get used tiles. That returns an array of all the tiles. Let's see that. Get used cells. You put the layer in. It returns a vector 2i. A 2D element structure can... Okay, no. That's not what I wanted. Returns a vector 2i array with the position of all the cells containing a tile in a given layer. Okay, no. We don't want the position. We want... Get used cells by ID. Returns a vector 2i array with position of all cells. We could get all used cells, and then we can get the tile data for them. And then we can convert one time the tile data into that stuff. Okay, let's try that. But let's not do it on the fly. Let's like do it once at the beginning. I don't think that's the problem, Marley. Windforce, thank you for the follow. Okay, this will be an int. So that will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go to the... Okay, well, this will... Okay, it'll be 0. That's good, actually. Or let's just make it -1 so that we're extra sure. And we'll paint. We'll get water level. This. And we'll paint it all on. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Bonjour. Okay, all -1, good. Okay. I am using a global position. Okay, whatever. So when we start, var sand layer tiles equals tile map, get used cells, layer, layer, sand, get cell data from sand, sand array for sand tile in sand array. Oh, I want a two-dimensional array. I forgot how to initialize a two-dimensional array. I think I did it like in here. Load. Freaking key. Dictionary key. Oh wait. Two-dimensional array creator? Oh, here. For y and range height appended resize it. Okay, that's what I need. Okay. So the width, height. For y in range. Okay, we could do the width and the height. Do we really need a... Oh. Okay, let's try doing it like this. Okay. No. No, it wouldn't work like that. Yeah, I would have to iterate over my whole area. Yeah, there's a lot to do. I mean, we moved an inch closer. Oh, Godot crashed. We moved an inch closer in the right direction. But there's definitely a lot of work to do, and I'm getting a little tired for normal Saturday. But Evan's streaming. So let's go and see what Evan's doing. I'm gonna go, guys. Don't want to stay too late. But happy I was able to stream today, guys. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining. Hell yeah. We're getting closer. And soon Lovecraft will have a very efficient... So yeah, guys. Thank you guys for coming. I definitely need to think about this stuff. I need to make a two-dimensional array with tile data encoding, you know, the water levels. And we'll do that once at the beginning. And I think that's the best way to handle it. I don't know why it's glitching out. It could be the marker position or something. But we'll, you know, baby steps, guys. Baby steps. No problem, Tom. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Bye, Cody. Bye, AS9419. Bye, Vimes, Tom, Roger, Rye. Alrighty, guys. See you later. Peace out.